Today's show is sponsored by Green Acres Lawn Care. For more information, contact them at 812-583-7886.
Good morning, I'm Audrey, and this is your PHS News Today for Wednesday, October 23rd. Intramural dodgeball sign-up forms will start today and end November 1st. Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. Cast and crew of The Sound of Music should check your email for schedule information. Tri-High-Y will meet Thursday morning in the conference room. In honor of football sectionals this week, we will be having dress-up days. Today is Disney Day, Thursday is Throwback Day, dress as a younger you, and Friday is all out purple and gold. And now to Adin with your weather report.
Thank you, Audrey. Looking at your weather today, there is no chance of rain today, but you may see some later in your week. Today we have a high of 67 and a low of 48. Tomorrow on Thursday we have a high of 67 and a low of 46. And then on Friday we see the temperatures dropping a bit with a high of 63 and a low of 47. Back to you.
I'm Audrey, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day.